Hi, my name is Stephanie Lucia, and I'm one of the dental hygienists here at Dr. Daniel Vasquez Dental Office. And today we are going to be talking about brushing your teeth. Have you ever gone to your dental cleaning appointment and your hygienist is on top of you about your brushing and flossing? You have a lot of plaque or tartar, and you're thinking to yourself, how is that even possible? I'm brushing 2 times a day, but I'm still accumulating all of this plaque and tartar. Well, today we are going to go over a quick and easy way to efficiently brush your teeth to prevent the accumulation of plaque and tartar. Check this out. Most of the time when my patients come in, they usually show me that they're brushing like this. However, we're graduating, we're doing something different, okay? So we're gonna slightly open here. We want the bristles of the toothbrush to be pointed up towards the gum line, and we're gonna do circular motions, okay? When we're brushing side to side like this, the bristles of the toothbrush skip over the most important parts, which is between the teeth. So bristles pointed up towards that gum line, 45 degrees, circular motion so that the bristles can go in between the tooth as well. And you're gonna be focusing 2 teeth at a time, going all the way around. One thing I always tell my patients is brushing slowly means that you're brushing more efficiently. So when we're brushing quickly, we're just skipping over everything. Slow it down, take your time. Circular motions all the way around. Also, when you are brushing your teeth, don't forget to take care of those inside surfaces as well. So point your toothbrush towards that gum line, circular motions as well. Now, when we're working in front, on our front teeth, specifically behind, we want our toothbrush to be almost parallel like this. So we're gonna be targeting the lower teeth like this in circular motions. Or in other words, with me, circular motions. For your top teeth, upright like this, circular motions behind your front teeth. Back to the teeth here. And don't forget your chewing surfaces, top and bottom. Also, something really important to note. This brushing technique is generalized to everyone. So depending on your dental needs, you may need to switch your technique a little bit. Also, depending on the type of toothbrush you're using, will dictate the type of technique that you will use for brushing your teeth. So the technique I'm showing you today is for manual toothbrushes such as this one. Now, if you have an electric toothbrush with a circular head or something that vibrates, you may want to brush a little differently. Don't forget, pressure is something that is super important. This brushing technique is pointing the bristles up towards your gum line. So if you're putting a lot of pressure on your fragile gum tissue, you could damage it. So we want to treat your brushing technique, specifically for this brushing style, as a massage. We're going to go slow and gentle to stimulate that gum tissue, but also help clean the tooth structure. The last thing that we want to do is cause gum recession or even wear down our enamel. So brush gently and you'll be in the clear. So if you're ready to schedule your cleaning appointment, click the link in the bio and I'll see you in the chair.